Hello everyone, it's Steve Kennedy here from Dark Art Astronomy. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for the PlaneWave CDK 12-inch telescope. Now I purchased this telescope with my own money, 100% retail, and I'm not being compensated in any way, shape, or form for doing this video. I have both positive and negative things to say about this telescope, which we'll get into in this video and maybe in a few others further on down the line. But for now, let's just get started. So it's a really beautiful crate. It's got all kinds of information on it in several different places. It's got my name with the invoice number and the contents. It's vented. It's got a number of fragile marks, stickers on it, and some what I presume is safety tape indicating that the seals have not been broken. And so all in all, a really nice crate. This looks like it's probably 3/4 inch plywood here. Really solid. Let's see what's inside. As we go through the unboxing video and you see how everything was neatly packed and put together, you might ask, well, what are your qualifications? How are you qualified to evaluate PlaneWave for anything? And in response, I would say, well, since 2020, I have bought and sold 2 different Explore Scientific telescopes, at least 4 different telescope mounts, primarily Skywatcher brands, and approximately 4, maybe 5 William Optics telescopes. I've had positive experiences with all of these devices, and my experience with PlaneWave is also generally positive, but there have been a couple of hiccups as I describe later on. What do you think is going to be in there, Spica, huh? Can you see? All right, in all her beauty. This is the PlaneWave Delta T dew heater control box with AC adapter, USB cables. And if it's relevant, my qualifications also include the fact that I've received 2 NASA Astronomy Picture of the Day awards and 3 Nico Carver Monthly Challenge Competition awards on the data processing side. So in addition to data collection, I think I know a thing or two about data processing as well. Okay, so let's just go over this. Right, the Delta T dew heater for CDK. All right, so this is the cable marked as USB cable, the extension cable, power cord. This is going to be power supply. This is going to be the box. Now, inside the box, I'll bet, or inside this packaging rather, is where I'm most likely going to see the screw with cap. RCA cables temp cable. Don't see that. That's what I have in this box. Let's look in the other one, see what we have there. All right, this is the EFA kit. So we have what looks like the box with brackets. The EFA cable is that. Screw with cap, I imagine, is in the bubble wrap there. PC port kit. That will be this, right? Power cord. Gotcha. 12-volt power supply. Got it. Extension cable. Got it. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can put Humpty Dumpty together. Okay, so as we saw yesterday, the container included this cardboard box as well as the piggyback dovetail bracket. Let's go ahead and open that up. Looks like it's very solid metal and plenty of places to attach equipment. On the top, primarily for what's going to be the Primalucci Eagle 5, which I imagine I'm going to connect to the top of the dovetail. Okay. These are the fasteners that go with that. Just at the top. All right, so let's see what's in the box. And we have a thumb drive with the software and documentation. This is the PlaneWave EFA. Looks like with some thumb screws, which will be used to attach this. Right, okay, so here is the adapter, 54 adapter. All right, this is the control unit for the dew heater. The primary and secondary heater outlets for the connectors are on one side with the connection for the temperature monitor, and on the back, the 12-volt power supply with the various connection devices, USB, and the RS-232 options, and an on-off switch with the thumb connectors to fasten that. Appears to be another adapter which is going to be used for the purpose of connecting the camera to the telescope. And I'm pretty sure this M54 connects to this unit, which connects to the telescope, so that we can achieve the necessary back focus, etc. USB to serial converter cable. This is the PlaneWave focuser rotator. Power supply with the electrical connections. Here we go. You know, it always ceases to amaze me why some companies do not include the power supplies with the product. I was recently looking on one of the popular astrophotography and astronomy online stores for a camera, and I was reminded that the camera does not include a power supply unit yet. That's separately purchased, and always seems unintuitive or illogical to sell the camera without a means to connect it to power. Just saying, I just think that's not logical. Thank you, PlaneWave. You provide all of the necessary information, including the 12-volt power supply, to make everything run. All right, So that's what that is for. And that brings us to the end of the box and the end of the unboxing video. In my next video, I hope I'll be able to show you how I've managed to cobble all of these devices together, attach the various accessories, the camera, the eagle, the off-axis guider, and anything else that I'm forgetting. And I'll create a separate video showing you how I decided to put Humpty Dumpty together. And then if I ever get any clear dark nights, we'll roll it out and see how it does. Thank you for joining me. I'm Steve Kennedy. This is Dark Art Astronomy.